In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule social media posts from Zoho. By the end, you'll be able to plan your posts in advance so they go live exactly when you want, without needing to be at your desk. First, open Zoho Social and make sure you're in the correct brand or workspace. If you manage multiple brands or clients, double-check the label at the top so your post goes to the right place. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the New Post or Create button. Click it to open the Post Composer. In the Composer, start crafting your message. Type your caption, then attach any photos or videos you want to include. You can add emojis to match your brand's tone, but keep readability in mind. If you're posting to multiple networks, remember that character limits and media treatments can vary, so keep your caption concise and your visuals clear. You'll typically see a preview on the right. Use it to confirm your images are cropped correctly and your links are pulling in clean previews. This is also a good time to add relevant hashtags, short links if you use them, and any mentions your audience expects. Before moving on, choose the social profiles or brand pages you want to publish to by toggling them on. This ensures the same post is scheduled across the exact channels you intend. Now let's set the timing. Click Schedule for a specific date to bring up the calendar and time picker. Choose the date you want the post to go live, then select the time. Confirm the time zone shown matches the audience you're targeting. If your followers are primarily in another region, adjust accordingly. For best results, think about when your audience is most active. Early mornings, lunch breaks, or early evenings often perform well, but your analytics will give you the clearest guidance. Give your post and preview one last look to catch typos, broken links, or awkward line breaks. When everything looks good, click Schedule. Zoho Social will queue the post for the exact date and time you selected and give you a confirmation that it's been scheduled. That's it. You've created the content, chosen the channels, picked a date and time, and locked it in. If you keep a regular content cadence, repeat this flow to build out your calendar. A few thoughtful minutes here can save hours later and keep your brand showing up consistently. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.